This is Raven with Boys and Girls Club of Metro Los Angeles, and today we're going to be talking about ownership. Let's get started. First off, what is ownership? Ownership is the state or act of possessing something, whether it be having ownership of your backpack, ownership of a remote, ownership of your life. Have you thought about what you want to be when you grow up and what steps it will take for you to get to that goal? It's okay to not have all the answers right now, but it's definitely a good way to get the ball rolling. Taking ownership of your interests and your life early on really will help benefit you in the future. When I was growing up, I had a friend that wanted to be a teacher. She knew early on the steps it would take in order to become one. She knew she would have to get good grades in school, and she would have to get into college and do well there. She also knew she would later have to take the CBES in order to get her teaching credential. Now, a couple years later, she's a teacher in her hometown to a middle school in the area. So, think about it. What do you want to be? What are your interests? What motivates you? And what are you passionate about? Like I said earlier, it's okay to not have all the answers, but it's definitely a great way to get the ball rolling with those things in mind. How do you feel about your future? Nervous? Excited? It's natural to feel a whole bunch of different ways at once, but it's your life. And with ownership of it early on, you will make great decisions that will only benefit you in the future. This is Raven coming to you again from our eClub platform. And as always, we hope to see you again really soon. Bye!